Here are 6 buyer traps to avoid when buying a home. Number 1, blind bidding, meaning you're going to write an offer on a property that you've actually never seen before. Number 2, making an offer on a home and waiving that home inspection. Number 3, not being fully mortgage approved before you enter into negotiations. Number 4, not being familiar with the costs associated with purchasing a home. Many people would call these hidden costs. They're actually not hidden. You just need to know about them. Number 5, don't try to appease the seller with a very quick closing unless it works out in your favor. And number 6, don't try and purchase a home without a licensed, experienced, very well educated realtor representing you throughout the entire process. For more videos like this, please remember to like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.